Hi guys, this is JB Rose singing Vegan Mum, and guess what? It is restaurant review time. It's a lovely restaurant called LoveGift Vegan. They are such a wonderful, wonderful company. I actually know the owner. I've always been wanting to come and eat here, and I'm doing it now. We're going to have a lovely vegan meal. As usual, I am early, so I'm going to sit down, get myself comfortable, check out this lovely, lovely restaurant, LoveGift Vegan. Let's go in. So look, I am so pleased to be in your restaurant right now, because you know I pop in sometimes and grab a scone, always on the move, because my dad lives up the road. But I now have the pleasure of coming in and sitting down and enjoying your food. And what I love about your restaurant is it's a holistic restaurant. Is that right? Is that the best way to describe you?
It's got to be, yeah. The whole intention is that whoever comes in will feel the vibes of a healed or healing mind, body, spirit and soul. So it's not just about the food or the drinks and stuff, it's about the atmosphere and the customers' vibration with each other.
Right.
So there'll always be laughter, there'll always be sharing in terms of things positive.
Yes.
So that's the way we create what I call the Love Gift Pump.
Enjoy.
Oh, look at that. Wow. Okay, see, that's good. Just imagine, that's the small, right? Now, what would the larger be?
Yeah.
We'd never have to eat again for the rest of the week.
Yeah.
You know, you have artists and musicians performing here of the
Especially
weekend.
on Sundays now from 2 till 8. We have a band that's been formed specifically for in here. So it's a live band. They call themselves Gift of Love. And it consists of a keyboard player, a variety of different musicians, but we also have an acoustic set of instruments that everyone can get involved.
Yes.
And we usually have about 5 microphones passing around.
Right.
So each week we have a theme.
Yes.
This coming week it's called the theme is love.
Yes.
Last week was parenthood. The week before was I can't remember off the top of my head.
Yes.
But we create an atmosphere that people can come in, relax, and we get people writing.
Yes.
Expressing and being creative and just working together.
Yes. Well, you've been creating this sort of thing for a long time. I know you from Forest Hill Drama.
From Forest Hill.
Do you remember? Yeah, Platform One. I couldn't remember the name. Absolutely.
Oh, we got a name blank.
Yeah. I've forgotten the name.
Yeah,
so I just want to say, Matanah used to be my drama teacher. Do you remember? He used to teach drama at a place called Platform One in Forest Hill. But over the years, I've seen you morph into so many different, as usual, women. You just do.
This is who we are. We're here for purpose, and we just carry on that maternal, that support, that energy vibe.
Absolutely.
That's what we do.
So we are blessed to be here again in your lovely space, Matanah. What is this you're eating?
Oh, I'm eating a raw food cake made by another associate, Sarah.
All right.
So all the ingredients here are raw ingredients.
Right.
Fruits, chocolates, the biscuit base that we see back there, it's made from oats and so on. So it's all raw, no fire has gone in it.
Oh wow.
So I've got a very big slice because it's my favorite.
Oh, lovely. So we're gonna have to try it, right?
Oh yeah.
We're gonna have to try this raw food thing.
Yes.
Okay guys, so as you can see, the food is here. It's large, it's mahoosive, it's looking gorgeous, and that's a small meal. I was just saying to my lovely friend here, what would it have been like if it was the large one? So this is the place to be, I've got to tell you. I'm going to taste it now, I'm going in. So guys, beautiful flavours, such like the mushroom things nice, isn't it? Taste the mushroom. And then the roast potatoes are actually made like how my mum would make my roast potatoes. Then is it like stew peas, delicious. And I haven't gone into, does that look like a fritter? There's a fritter. And yet to explore. And the quinoa is very tasty. It's not just like dry quinoa, it's tasty quinoa. What else would you say?
I would say that, and also the salad.
Salad.
It's got a nice vinaigrette.
Yes,
type
salad.
of-
So everything on the plate is delicious, isn't it?
It's balanced.
So I'm just letting you know that this is the place to come. LoveGift Vegan. It's absolutely delicious. Delicious. What am I saying? See, it's so nice. I'm going to LoveGift Vegan is delicious. It's so nice. The flavors are really fantastic. Okay, now,
Right.
this is Loxley.
Greetings. All I can say, people, the food to this point has been excellent. All what JB has been talking about, I reflect. And I'm not just a follower like that, it's just that I like good food. However, we come to the fritter. Now, the fritter, old school, back in the day, right? My mum used to cook fritters and they're on a certain level. They weren't greasy. Yeah. Now when you go to the shops, in my opinion, they're greasy. Right? Too much grease and I don't want that. However, when you taste these, they're very thin and there's no grease. So that's what I would definitely recommend. Remember, this is at the end, so it's brilliant from the beginning to the end. Peace.
And I have to concur with the lovely Loxley that it is delicious, it's tasty, and it is not greasy. I'm going to hold mine up. I hope it is not greasy. It is gorgeous, and we're going to eat it. Look, we're both eating the last one. And that bit's crunchy. So guys, you need to come to LoveGift Vegan, man. We're gonna go. Are we going in on the dessert? We're going in on the dessert. Part 2 is coming. So we were just saying how good your fritters is, and you were saying it's a combination of what?
It's a combination of the pan that we work from, because it's the nature of the pan. It's the combination of the texture of the ingredients that you use as well, and we're working with health, so we're not going to deep fry or anything like that. So if the pan can just have enough oil to just give the oil a warmth, it's the warmth, that's not the oil that's cooking it, it's the warmth of the so this is how we work from it. So the ingredients that we use don't get saturated with the oil, so hence you get a healthier option. So we can do all our Caribbean vibes, African vibes, Italian vibes, but it's a case of how you know to combine stuff together in regards to the health aspect of it.
Absolutely.
And it can be done.
Absolutely. And you know your stuff, Matanah.
It's a way of life from childhood, so it's nothing I've learned. I have learned lots along the way, but it's a way of life. It's the way my grandma taught me. So I still combine those roots and take it from there. So it's nothing new.
Wow. That is such a pearl of wisdom that we've just got from you, Matanah. It's absolutely wonderful. So for everything that you're doing here is coming from a heart, coming from a culture. It's a way of life. It's absolutely brilliant.
It's not a trend. It's not it's a way of life.
Yeah.
It's how I've eaten from youth days.
Yeah.
I'm not saying I haven't eaten meat and stuff, but this is the way I was brought up with my grandma.
Yeah.
And I just transfer with the ingredients that I have here to create what I'm creating. But it's just a way of life.
It's fantastic. He's already gone in. He's gone in.
Nice,
so
lovely.
what's the verdict?
The lovely, it's living up to its reputation of tasting the chocolate.
Yes.
There's a crunch, and the cheesecake has got that crunchy aspect of it.
Yes.
So yeah, it's nice.
Because what is it? Okay, what kind of cheesecake is it? It's a chocolate berry cheesecake. Is that what she said?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
It tastes like coconut as well. Really nice. So guys, wow, I am on my way home back from LoveGift Vegan. I'm actually going to go and pick up the kids, but I had an amazing afternoon. Beautiful food made by the wonderful Matanah. Not only was I tasting and eating food from the wonderful Matanah, who is the owner of LoveGift Vegan, that food has been inspired by her mother from she was a child, and all the pearls of wisdom about the pan and that health is the foundation of LoveGift Vegan has made this review even more poignant, special than any other food review, restaurant review I've ever done. This was such a lovely evening. The atmosphere was wonderful. They do wonderful music and events every Sunday, somewhere where you can recoup, where you can get some R&R. It was such a lovely, lovely afternoon, and hearing the ethos of LoveGift Vegan from the manager, from the owner, Maya, was absolutely amazing. So I'm hoping that she's going to be doing some cooking classes. I think myself and a few of the other people who were in the restaurant, we would all love to sit at her table cook and watch her cook and hear and understand the reasonings behind the herbs, the spices, the pots, the pans, which we just got a taste of just now. So guys, I'm suggesting that you go and try the food of LoveGift Vegan, which is in Lehigh Road, Lewisham, South London. Listen, I hope you enjoyed this wonderful, wonderful food review at LoveGift Vegan for healthy vegan options. I'm your girl. I'm your girl. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. YouTube will love it when you comment as well as subscribe. See you next time.
And it shows that you're